Looking for the best pole saw to trim trees safely without climbing a ladder? Today, we're breaking down the best cordless, electric, and gas pole saws to help you pick the right one with confidence. We're starting at the bottom of the ranking with this compact cordless option, which takes the 5th spot on our list. This saw is clearly designed for light-duty yard work and quick trimming jobs, rather than serious tree maintenance. It's simple, approachable, and aimed at beginners who just want something easy to use. What it does well is convenience. You get a small cordless saw that can switch between handheld use and pole use, which is great for basic cleanup around bushes and smaller branches. The lightweight body makes it less tiring to hold overhead, and the automatic oiling helps keep things running smoothly without much effort from you. Compared to larger saws, it's far less intimidating to operate. That said, the limitations are hard to ignore. The short bar means you're restricted to thin branches, and the shorter reach makes it less useful for taller trees. Power is also noticeably lower than every other product on this list, especially when you compare it to full-size cordless or gas models. If you push it too hard, you'll feel those limits quickly. This is best for homeowners with very small yards or anyone who wants a simple trimming tool for occasional use. If you're planning to tackle thicker limbs or taller trees though, you'll want to keep watching, because the next option already steps things up. Links to all the products in this review at the best available prices are in the description under the video. Next up is the SENIX, which lands just above the previous model thanks to its stronger and more consistent power. Being corded means it doesn't rely on batteries, so you get steady cutting performance as long as you're plugged in. This saw is a solid middle ground for homeowners who want more cutting strength without dealing with gas engines. The 8-inch bar handles thicker branches more easily than the smaller cordless models, and the overall weight stays manageable for overhead work. Compared to the previous saw, this one feels more confident and capable during longer trimming sessions. The biggest drawback here is mobility. You're tied to an extension cord, which can be annoying when working around trees or moving across a yard. It also can't compete with cordless or gas saws when it comes to convenience or raw cutting power. You'll need to plan your work area carefully to avoid fighting with the cord. This is a good choice for small to medium yards where outlets are close by and heavy cutting isn't required. If you want more freedom of movement and less hassle though, the next products on this list really start to shine. And if this comparison is helping you out so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest tool reviews. Now we're getting into the higher performing cordless category, and this model sits comfortably in the middle of the ranking. This saw balances power, weight, and reach in a way that feels well thought out. What really stands out here is how easy it is to handle for a cordless pole saw. The cutting performance is smooth, the balance feels natural, and the reach gives you confidence when trimming higher branches. Compared to corded models, you're free to move around, and compared to smaller cordless saws, this one feels much more capable and stable. Of course, there are trade-offs. Batteries and chargers are not included, which adds to the overall cost if you're not already in the same battery system. It's also not designed for heavy-duty cutting like thick hardwood branches, especially when compared to gas-powered options. This is a great pick for homeowners who want strong performance without noise, fumes, or cords. If you're maintaining trees regularly and want reliability with minimal hassle, this is a solid choice. But if versatility and reach are your top priorities, the next option pushes things even further. This saw takes second place thanks to its flexibility and extended reach. It's a versatile tool that feels like it's trying to give you the best of multiple worlds in one package. The standout feature here is adaptability. You can switch between bar sizes depending on the job, and the long reach makes trimming taller trees much easier. Compared to other cordless models, it feels more complete right out of the box, especially with the included batteries and accessories. For homeowners who want one tool that can do a bit of everything, this is a strong contender. The downside is that it still can't fully match the cutting force of a gas-powered saw when dealing with very thick branches. It's also heavier than simpler cordless models, which can matter during longer sessions. This is ideal for people who want cordless freedom, long reach, and versatility without stepping into gas territory. For most homeowners, this could easily be the sweet spot. But if power is your number one concern, there's still one saw left that stands above the rest. Taking the top spot is the gas-powered option, and it earns that position through sheer strength and capability. This is the most powerful saw in the lineup, built for demanding cutting jobs. Where this saw excels is raw performance. Thick branches that slow down electric or cordless models are handled with confidence here. The long reach combined with strong cutting power makes it suitable for serious tree maintenance. Compared to everything else on this list, this one feels like a professional-grade tool. The trade-offs are exactly what you'd expect. It's heavier, louder, and requires fuel mixing and regular maintenance. It's not the most beginner-friendly option, and it's overkill for small yards. This saw is best for users with large properties, mature trees, or frequent heavy trimming needs. If you want maximum cutting power and don't mind the upkeep, this is the clear winner. No matter which one caught your eye, make sure to check the links in the description under the video to see today's best prices on the top pole saws. If this guide helped you choose the right tool, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next review.